Hand mixers in 2025? Way more than just beaters on a stick. We tested the top models, from cordless wonders to pro-level powerhouses, to see which ones actually whip, mix, and mash without the mess. Whether you're baking banana bread or whipping cream at midnight, here's what's worth plugging in. Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. Budget-friendly, but surprisingly capable. With 250 watts of power, 6 speeds, and a quick burst button, it handles most everyday tasks, like whipping cream or mixing cake batter. The snap-on storage case is a nice touch, and it's lightweight enough for long mixing sessions. Perfect for casual bakers or anyone who wants a solid mixer without spending a fortune. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. This one's the luxury ride of hand mixers. It's got beater IQ tech that auto-adjusts speed based on the attachment, rubber-coated beaters for quieter mixing, and even a built-in light so you can see what you're doing. Midnight cookie dough, anyone? It's powerful, fast, and sleek, but a bit on the heavier side. If you want premium performance and don't mind the price tag, this one's a showstopper. KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. A classic for a reason. It's compact, easy to use, and comes in a bunch of colors. The 5 speeds are well spaced and it's great for light to medium tasks. Thick cookie dough, mashed potatoes, or pancake batter. No storage case, but it's a reliable workhorse. If you want something simple, stylish, and dependable, this is a great pick. CUISINART HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus 9-speed. This one's a multitasking champ. With 9 speeds, a smooth start feature, no flour explosions, and a full set of attachments, including dough hooks and a whisk, it's ready for everything from meringue to pizza dough. The snap-on case keeps it all tidy. If you bake often and want versatility without going full stand mixer, this is your MVP. KitchenAid Go cordless hand mixer. Freedom from cords? Yes, please. This cordless model runs on a rechargeable battery and still delivers solid power for most tasks. It's great for small kitchens or anyone who hates being tethered to an outlet. Just note, it's best for lighter mixing jobs. If you want flexibility and portability, this cordless option is a game changer. From budget-friendly basics to feature-packed champs, these hand mixers brought the power, control, and convenience we were looking for. We tested them in real kitchens, with real batter, so you don't have to guess. Check the description for links, specs, and deals. Hit like if your baking game just leveled up, and drop your go-to mixer in the comments.